wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by the title, it is another video of was it really that good or was it just popular? If you haven't seen the other one I've done of this, basically I'm going to go through some of the best selling, best rated products out there, and if I have tried it, I'm going to let you know my opinion, that's why you clicked on it, my opinion on if I truly think it was that good or if it was just widely talked about. So if you guys want to know, So I see here the Denessa Myrix Yummy Skin Soothing Serum Skin Tint Foundation with peptides and ceramides. It has a 5-star rating out of 727 reviews. I have tried this before. Is it really that good or is it just popular? I'm sorry, I would have to say this is just popular. I've tried it. She's a cute skin tint. Kind of easily forgot about it afterwards. And I think when I tried this, I was like, let's see what the difference is between this, the Yummy Skin liquid foundation, and the Yummy Skin balm, because if you're not aware, the balm actually does come in foundation shade, so you can use it as a foundation. This is the one that I was least impressed with. I haven't tried the balm as a foundation, but you guys know I try it as a primer. And then I have tried the Yummy Skin actual like liquid foundation, and if I had to pick one to use as a foundation, I'm going with the liquid foundation. The skin tint, I felt like it was a little bit more than a skin tint, but not enough to be like the foundation, but it was given very similar to the foundation, and it was just kind of like, okay. I don't know, maybe it's because I had already tried the foundation that I wasn't impressed by this, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little shocked to see, 5 stars right now. But again, my experience. It's very funny to see like how times change, because I'm looking at like some of the top rated foundations at Sephora right now, and most of them are skin tints. There's the Skin Enhanced Tinted Moisturizer. There's this Skin Smoothing, that looks like a foundation, but it's rose ink, and their stuff is usually on the more skin tint sheer coverage. This Tint and Protect SPF 50 tinted serum foundation, this vitamin enriched skin tint, this YSL tint. And it's very funny because if you had looked at what are the top rated foundations at Sephora 5 years ago, you would have got like Urban Decay, a full coverage foundation, Kat Von D, a full coverage foundation. It's just funny how times change. But let's move on to the next thing. All right, the Huda Beauty Full Filter Matte Buildable Coverage Waterproof Concealer pretty much has like 5 stars. It's like probably 4.89. Baby, that thing was just popular. I don't care what y'all say. That is literally the tube concealer just repackaged in a different packaging and brought to you like it was something different. It wore the same way. Was not impressed by it. And I usually like Huda stuff. It's not that it was bad. It's just I wasn't impressed. Like, oh, okay. Yeah. Freck Beauty's Hydrating Primer retails for 38 dual hairs, and again pretty much has like a 5-star rating. Y'all know I just tried this, picked it up during that Sephora sale. It might be worth the hype, y'all. And y'all know I love a gripping primer, and you can see it just like watching the video, the tackiness to it, especially if you're applying it with a brush. You can probably see it with your fingers as well. Ow, my legs hurt. I don't know if I told y'all I went back to the gym after Thanksgiving. I'm feeling it. I was supposed to do like 20 minutes on the Stairmaster. The way you would have had to call 911 if I did a minute further after 13 minutes. So, but that has nothing to do with the video. You can see the tackiness of it just by, removing the hand brush and then going back to your face. Makeup does grip onto it, and makeup does look nice over it. So if you were thinking of checking out this primer, I was in Tampa, and Dre was like, do you like that? I was like, I do. I really like it. And it's easy to travel with. It's interesting seeing what some of the top rated products are right now, because they're from brands that you wouldn't expect to be seen. Like I said earlier, like you wouldn't have expected to see like 5 years ago. Like Fashion Fair, LYS, that's good, you know, things come and go. And I do still see some of the, you know, OGs up in here. But speaking of did I say YSL? I've been seeing too many of them Young Thug court case posts. LYS Beauty is what I was trying to say, child. The LYS Beauty Skin Loyalty Setting Spray retails for $24, has a 5-star rating. I am not surprised. Y'all were saying that it's like the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray, which I can see where that comparison comes in, but for me, this gives a lot more MAC Fix Plus, whereas this is really good. It's really fine mist spray if you spray in between layers. So if you spray to set your primer and then you spray to set your foundation before you put on concealer, you're going to like this spray. And it's so light that you can do that, and it's not too much on your face. Your face does not look heavy, any of that stuff. The makeup does blend out really nice on top of it, and it has a very nice finish throughout the day. Not too much on comparing it to Charlotte Tilbury, but it's there, it's close, it's up in those ranks. So I feel like this rating is pretty spot on for this spray. One Size by Patrick Starr's Made for Shade Bronze and Sculpt Trio palette pretty much has a 5-star rating, retails for $38. It's worth it. I don't know what Patrick be putting in them products, but the pigment is going to be there in those products, and the like long-lasting power in it, and it is a little bit more geared towards oily skin because he has oily skin. But the pigment, the way it blends out on the face, this product specifically, absolutely positively. And you see how dark that is? I think there's one shade darker than that. Yes, there is. And I have the, I don't think I have the darkest one. I might have the second darkest one. I have either one of them, but absolutely, positively. It shows up on your face, it blends out really nicely. You have those options there. You can use contour, bronzer. Yeah, he did his big one with that one, so that is definitely worth the hype. It's not just talk. Okay, the Rare Beauty Stay Vulnerable Glossy Lip Balm has a 5-star rating. It retails for $20. That might be a little hype. I mean, tried it. Rare Beauty is one of those, you know, like never really tried anything that I would say, oh, I regret trying that. But that product specifically wasn't anything to write home about. So, my opinion. I like to get to tussling. Of course, Fenty Gloss Bomb has probably like a 4.89 rating. Retails anywhere between $21 to $26. Dual hairs, you already know how I feel about Gloss Bomb. Gloss Bomb is one of those girls. It's just one of those girls. I'm so sorry. That's why I have almost every color that you can get. This is the original one. I've got the originals, the creams, the lip plumpers. Of course, I'm wearing 2 of them today. It's that girl. I'm so sorry. These are slept on. Y'all know I done talked about Fenty Gloss Bomb until you can't talk about it no more. But I keep telling y'all about these Buxom plumping glosses. I got cream gloss, the regular clear gloss, all that stuff. Do not sleep on those. One retails for $25. The other one is also $25. They are just as good as Fenty Gloss Bomb. Might be even, but it is a very good lip gloss. And if you like plumping glosses, one, it actually does plump your lips. The colors are very flattering. They're sticky enough where they're going to last on your lips, but it doesn't feel sticky. I also have that on my lips as well today. I am telling you, most times when you see me and you're like, oh, what's on your lips? It's some variation of Fenty and Buxom. And I was actually really surprised. I got it randomly in PR one day and I tried it out and I was like, oh, wait a minute, I've been using it ever since. Flesh, I think, is the shade that I use almost every day. If you try nothing else from this video, try that Buxom gloss. Okay, the Makeup by Mario Ultra Suede Sculpting Lip Pencil has like probably a 4.56-ish rating, retails for $24. That is a good lip liner, especially the brown one. It just blends in so well, especially, you know, I have naturally darker lips, still shows up, but with any lip product that I wear it with, it just blends in really nice, give you that just nice, you know, brown lip liner colored in lip look. So I really like that one. I see here the LYS Speak Love Lip Liner Pencil has a 5-star rating, retails for $15. I've tried the pencil, you know, she's cute. The brown color, and I know you're probably thinking like, how can, like, what much can brown lip liner do? But there is a difference in brown lip liners. I didn't try it. Elf, NYX, brown lip liner, I didn't try it, and there very much so is a difference. And that LYS one, I just wasn't wowed by her. Okay, Laura Mercier's Blush Color Infusions. I didn't know that has a 5-star rating on Sephora out of 799 ratings. Just had a brain fart moment there. I'm not even gonna show you, but I've got a pile of laundry on my bed, and I'm pretty sure I lost my iPad under it. I will put it away today, but I'm pretty sure that's the sound that I just heard. I keep hearing the sound, but I don't want to fight through the pile of clothes to find it, so I'm gonna put it away today and then I'll find it. But anyway, back to this. It retails for $36. Yeah, it deserves the 5-star rating. It's not just talk. It is a very good blush. The pigment is there, the shades are there regardless of skin tone. The wear is there, and it's one of those just kind of like blush from within. But if you want to do more, you want to be a little bit more dramatic, you know, you're into the craze of blush straight across your face, it can do that as well. So multifunctional. Well, no, not multifunctional in that sense, but you know what I mean. But yeah, I mean, it is also multifunctional that if you wanted to use it as eyeshadow, you wanted to use it as on your lips or anything like that, it has that like natural from within that you could do that and give yourself just a nice little blushed lip look, nice little blushed eyeshadow look, and just still look very natural. So it deserves that 5-star rating. Y'all know, one of my favorite powder blushes out there. All right, y'all, so that is it for this video. Didn't come across too many that I'm just like, I don't know about that. I will say I did see like a lot of Patrick Ta in the, actually I'm not gonna say it. So that is it for this video. Let me know some things that you guys think are widely talked about and they are just not worth it, and some things that are widely talked about and they are in fact worth it in the comments down below. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.